Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can unrestrict someone on Messenger. So I'll be teaching you a very easy step regarding this process, and if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Messenger app, and then from there just log in with your account. Once you do that, you'll be over here in this particular platform. So from here, where you need to go is go on your top left corner, just three lines, just go over here and go to settings. Once you are in the settings, scroll a bit down until you find this privacy and safety option. Just go over here and go all the way down where until you find this particular option, which is restricted accounts, which is just above block accounts. Just go over here and then choose the person that you want to restrict, and then all the way down you'll be having option which says unrestrict. Just press on it and then it will be unrestrict like this. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.